question is, why do we have pre-styled units if we have to go in and correct the pre-style unit? Make that make sense. So I am noticing some tracks that I can feel. Hey friend, and welcome to my channel. I'm Angelique. So today I'm coming to you with one of the Sensational Glamour units. This one is going to be in the style Glam Unit 1. It's in the color number 2. For this unit, you guys, it does come pre-styled, but my only gripe with this is that even though it does come pre-styled, the ponytail was like super loose. So I did end up taking it out, especially because this is going to be a 13x4 unit. So I ended up taking out the ponytail just so I can get some different styling options. And I also took the ponytail out so I can redo it the correct way because it was too loose and too humpy bumpy for me. So as far as the construction on this unit, you do get your 13x4 HD lace parting space. You get your 2 combs in the front, your 1 comb in the back, as well as your adjustable straps. And it does come with a pre-attached elastic band that has a silicone lining, which makes it super secure on your head. You have that lining, so it's going to help keep it from like moving around, wiggling around. So that was really good. Only downside for that is that strap is not adjustable. But as far as the cap size on this one, you guys, my head is about 22 to 22.5 inches in circumference, and it fit my head great. I had a good amount of stretch, so I do think if your head is any bit bigger than mine, you should be good to get away with wearing this one. I'm able to get ear-to-ear coverage, which was really great. There's a decent amount of stretch to the cap. This one was made on a mesh wig cap, so all in all, I feel like this is definitely going to be one that's going to be reasonable for smaller head girlies as well as bigger head girlies. So as far as the texture on this one is definitely giving more of a relaxed yaki. I wouldn't necessarily say that there's any like silkiness or anything in it. It just kind of feels like if you got a relaxer, so it's kind of like relaxed yaki vibes, if that makes sense. So I do like the texture of this one. As you can see, the length comes just above my boobs, so it's definitely a very natural length. It's giving me more around like 20-inch vibes, maybe a little bit shorter, like 18 inches. So this is going to be a really good one if you're looking for a wig that's going to give you more of a natural vibe as far as the length is concerned. I do note that there are some slight layers in this one, which I like. Of course, you can go in and customize it to your liking. You can pluck out the hairline if you want. You can cut the layers, but I feel like as it is, it's really nice. Now, although I wasn't the biggest fan of the pre-style of this unit, I honestly was surprised with the quality of the lace. I feel like the lace was honestly wonderful. This is probably one of their best laces. I just want to come in and show you guys the hairline. It does come pre-plucked and it does come with baby hairs. And I feel like this lace is nice, you guys. It's kind of reminding me of their bare lace, which I'm a very big fan of, but I feel like the bare lace is so thin that it can be kind of fragile and rip very easily. It feels like it's a little bit harsher, if that makes sense, so I don't have the fear that it's gonna rip. It's like right in the middle, if that makes sense, but the blend down I feel like was really great. As you guys know, I'm on the darker side. I did experience a little bit of white cast initially, but I did go in and just add additional product to try to get that blend as good as possible, and I feel like it's looking nice. And like I noted, there are baby hairs. Didn't do too much with the baby hairs. I just kind of swiped them into the hairline a little bit. Like I said, this is a 13x4, but you are kind of limited when it comes to styles. You can't do like a super deep part or anything. So right now, as you can see, I kind of opted for just the flip over vibe, and I feel like it suits the style. It's very cute. So they do say that this one is glueless. For me personally, with my head size, I wasn't able to really wear it glueless just because I felt like it was slipping a little bit. So I did go in with my Esha Melt and Slay Spray just to go adhere it down and get the lace as you know, as blended as possible, but you definitely can wear it glueless, especially if your head is any bit smaller than mine. I feel like this is definitely going to be one that you can wear glueless. So as far as the density on this unit, the density is definitely like a natural density, but it's not super thin. It's not natural as far as like a maybe 120%, 130%. I want to say it's sitting right in the middle around 150%. This is all the hair to the front, and I feel like the density is very nice. But one thing to note, you guys, is the track situation that's going on. It's feeling a little bit lumpy, a little bit bumpy, and I don't know if that's because the way that they designed it specifically for that half up, half down style. Feels like the construction of it is a little bit different than just your typical 13x4 unit. So I am noticing some tracks that I can feel. I'm definitely noticing some tracks. So that's going to be something to keep in mind as well. So as far as my cons and pros on this unit, my first con is probably just going to be, like I said, the thinness, the tracks that I'm feeling in the crown. I like the hair to sit not obviously too bulky above the cap, but enough that I'm not feeling any tracks or anything like that. So I wasn't really a fan of that. Number two is the pre-styling. I just don't really fully see the point of a pre-styled unit if you have to go in and redo it, if that makes sense, because at that point they could have just sent it normal and I could have just threw it up in the ponytail myself. The fact that they do include this bow, I feel like was a nice touch. Like the style that they're going for, I feel like was very, very cute. It just was a downside for me that I had to go and redo it, because I would think the whole point of a pre-styled unit is supposed to be slap it on and go, but I don't feel like you would be able to achieve that with this, just because the ponytail was not the most secure. And understandable, they need to provide some wiggle room because you're going to be slapping around your head, but just for me, I didn't like the fact that it's listed as a pre-style throw on and go, but it's not. And another con that I'm gonna have is probably gonna be just the fact that I did get some tangling, I did get some shedding, nothing too crazy, but definitely something to note. As far as my pros on this, I feel like this is a very cute unit. The style itself, the pre-styled whole unit, that was kind of cute. It was giving me like cheerleader vibes, but I do like the fact that you're not stuck with just that particular style because it is a 13x4. So I do like the fact that it's versatile. I really, really like the length. I like the layers. I like the density. I just like the look of it as a whole, honestly. And yeah, I feel like this is a cute one. And when I pick it up again, possibly, and specifically that's going to be because of the lace. Now I know the look of this unit, especially down like this, is nothing too out of the ordinary. It's nothing too extremely unique. We've kind of seen this look before, but for me the highest selling point on this one is absolutely going to be the lace. I just love the fact that the lace blended the way that it did, and I really like the stretch of the cap. So I do think this is when I possibly would pick up again. So that's pretty much what I have to say about this unit. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If it was, make sure you give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any of the units you want to pick up in any of the colors, honey. And until then, I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.